I think this project is going to be a trendsetter as long as they continue to work on the project to evolve it and make sure that the project is headed in a straight and narrow path. Potentially a LeBron James. Anyway, with that being said, you guys see the price movement? Welcome to Trendsetter Crypto TV. I'm your gracious host, Solo. Guys, today I'm excited to talk about a project that has a potential to 100x or even more in this upcoming bull run, okay? Known as ChainGPT. Skirt, not ChatGPT, ChainGPT, okay? And guys, this is a Web3 AI infrastructure ecosystem, meaning that you can create AI NFT generators, AI generated news. You can read news that's AI generated, smart contracts generator, AI trading assistant, ChainGPT pad, etc. Okay. And guys, this has so many different things in regards to functionalities that I can't show you everything because then this video would be 2-3 hours long. Okay. But I will show you a little bit, guys. And this project, guys, they had some funding by NVIDIA, which for those who are not familiar, NVIDIA is one of the top AI companies right now, and their stock has gone through the roof. They also got some funding from Google, okay? So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some of the functionalities of this and how you can use it. So I'm going to show you some of this, guys. I'm going to click on their launch pad. And I'm going to connect my Trust wallet to this, okay? Now, you can use Wallet Connect that's in your Trust wallet, or you can use MetaMask for those who are using MetaMask. And guys, I know you can't see it, but I just hit Connect on my Trust wallet. Got to give it a couple seconds. Now, guys, you see it's connected, okay? Now, I'm using General Assistant, and this is kind of like ChatGPT, but it's primarily based on crypto, so it specializes in that, okay? So guys, for video purposes, let's do this for fun. Can Shiba Inu hit a penny if tokens are burned? We're gonna ask it that, and then it's thinking. Okay, guys, so it generated the answer. It says the price of Shiba Inu reaching a penny would require a significant increase in its value. As of now, the price of SHIB is 0.000009. To reach a penny, SHIB would need to increase by a factor of 100,000. Token burning can be potentially impacted. Guys, you get the point, okay? So it'll give you an AI generated answer. Another thing, guys, is that you can get AI generated news. Here it talks about the CBDCs in regards to Donald Trump and Vivek. This is a topic that I actually covered yesterday, okay? They also have staking enabled. And guys, they have a docs team, okay? Now, guys, this project has me very excited. They are always coming out with different partnerships. They just got a brand new ambassador for the project known as Joe Pararis. For those who don't know, he's a big YouTuber. They just got Certec qualified. They got a 91.23 score. If you go on their Twitter, guys, they are very active, okay? They also, if you go on their white paper, have a frequent asked questions or answered questions, right? Frequent asked questions, where it'll basically give you a quick basic overview on what the token is. Now, for people like myself, guys, who may not be technology inclined in regards to the language, you know, the tech jargon, this is perfect because then you can just click on it and it'll give you basic answers, okay? Okay, guys, now let's talk about why I think this project can do 100x in the next bull run, and also why I think it's a blue chip crypto, okay? So let's talk about the price right away. It's at 16 cents. The last 24 hours up a little over 2%. The last 7 days, it's up nearly 15%, up nearly 33% in the last 30 days. And look, almost 190% in the last 90 days, okay? It's got a max supply of 1 billion, total supply of nearly a billion if we round up. And guys, for it to go to a 10x, right? You just take 163, multiply it by 10, that would put it at a $1.6 billion market cap. 100x would put it at $16 billion market cap, okay? And I'm rounding off. Now, I know some people are saying, Solo, you are bugging, you are tripping. You know what, guys? If you would have told me back in 2021 that a random meme coin by the name of Shiba Inu would achieve nearly a $45 billion market cap, I would have thought you were high on Huff. If you would have told me that Dogecoin would nearly get to a $100 billion market cap with no utility, no use case whatsoever, I would have thought you were tripping. But guess what? They both did it. Now, what makes ChainGPT different? Number one, it's not a meme coin, and I'm not disrespecting Doge or Shiba. I'm simply using them as an example to tell you to be open-minded, okay? As I mentioned before, ChainGPT got a grant from NVIDIA. Now, I know I mispronounced it earlier, forgive me, but they got $100,000 from NVIDIA, one of the most bullish AI companies that is out right now. They also got $350K from Google. So in other words, guys, what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say, guys, is that Google and NVIDIA are not just going to give any company their money, okay? If you have two of the top tech companies in the world right now currently giving you grants, that means that they see something in your project that resonates with them, okay? Or that they believe in. And guys, I do believe that this project is a blue chip crypto. This is why I got it in my 2024 Trendsetter Crypto TV crypto reviews list. For those who want access, you got to hit the Patreon, right? I gave it a 90 out of 100. And the reason why, guys, is when it comes to utility in regards to the narratives that we're talking about for 2024 and that other people are talking about, AI, Web3, blockchain, right? Layer 1's ChainGPT has all of that and more. You're also talking about AI generated news, right? Which means that you will have an up and up on the news because we know traditional news is dead. Let's keep it a buck, because traditional news is not news, it's propaganda. You have AI NFTs. I think NFTs will make a comeback. I know some of y'all don't like that, but they will. And then also you got smart contract generator and auditor. When we're talking about real world assets, right? This is a game changer when you have a project like this, because everything, whether people like it or not, is moving digitally. Okay, we're talking about tokenized assets. We're talking about real estate contracts. We're talking about contracts in general. So guys, I do think that ChainGPT has potential to be a blue chip cryptocurrency. There's a lot of good buzz around it. You see, guys, even as I'm talking, the price is going up while a lot of other cryptos are down. And granted, guys, time will tell if they will execute in regards to evolving the project, but I'm very bullish on it, and I think 16 billion, guys, is actually kind of low. So I'm very excited, guys, in regards to this project, and this is one of the reasons why I have it as a blue chip. This was the first project I actually reviewed on the list. To get access to my 2024 Trendsetter Crypto TV reviews list, join my Patreon. You get exclusive reviews to all the cryptos that I'm reviewing for the year, for 2024. These are cryptos that may be brand new, like ChainGPT that just came out less than a year ago, or cryptos that are a bit older, okay? I'm also reviewing meme coins, guys, right? And giving meme coins some quick reviews. Then I got my 2024 new coin investment list. These are coins that I'm investing in 2024 that I haven't invested in before. And for transparency, guys, my Patreons have access to that, and you get access to my Telegram group as well, okay? My Patreon is not for the slouches, it's for the ones that are trying to really make it to the moon, okay? Then we got Hall of Fame reviews. These are cryptos that stood the test of time. in regards to 5 years or longer in the crypto market. We got reviews as well. And now we also got a prophetic coin review. Those are coin reviews for my Christian brothers and sisters. I review prophetic coins as well, okay? Anyway, guys, to wrap this video up, I'm very bullish on ChainGPT. I think this project is going to be a trendsetter as long as they continue to work on the project, to evolve it and make sure that the project is headed in a straight and narrow path, okay? I'm excited to see what this project will do. It's definitely on my list. Like I said, 90 out of 100, potentially a LeBron James. Anyway, with that being said, you guys see the price movement. I mean, men talk, women talk, numbers talk louder. Anyways, your boy Jones, and I'm out. Peace.